Hey guys, it's Noah with the Valor team, and behind me is my newest listing, 8119 Radiant Star. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,600 square feet. Large open concept, granite countertops, and so much more. I'm excited to share this with you guys, so sit back, relax, and let's take a tour. As always guys, thank you so much for watching my video. A like, heart, thumbs up goes an extremely long way to help push this video past the social media algorithm. If you have any questions about this property or selling your property or someone else's, please get a hold of me. DM me, call me, email me. I'm available 24/7. Have a great day.